Hello, hello, hello. Check, 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 check. All right, what's good? What's good, what's good, what's good? What's up, YouTube? Let's go. Yo, 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 yo. What up, Team Bull? What's good, what's good, what's good? What's up, what's happening? Jdun in this party, get it cracking. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Top of the day, baby. Top of the day. How we all doing? Oh, man. Yesterday was a movie. It was awesome. It was super awesome, guys. Obviously, I missed hanging out with you, but caught 2 winning trades. I caught 1 winning trade in the morning. I caught the longs with the high school class. And then second off, I went back for the afternoon. We caught a trade in power hour. We caught the shorts at the end of the day and the longs to start the day. Surprisingly, no one asked how tall I was. No one asked about 6'7". But yeah, it was super cool. I made $600 in front of him. I traded a lot. I only traded with 1 micro, or a one mini and 1 micro, or 2 micros, excuse me, on the 2 examples I did. But they were able to watch me trade and explain the trade, and like watch me make with minimal risk $600 right in front of them. It was so eye-opening for them. So I was showing them like, hey, if this works out, then we'll make the money we're gonna make. We'll make 500 plus. If it doesn't work out, if it works out, we'll make 600, around 600. If we lose, we'll lose like 400 to 500. Kind of dope. At least I thought so. And I talked to them about they're all signing up for Trade of 8, right? Why is everyone playing hooky? So funny. Yeah, it was super cool. It was honestly a very good time. They enjoyed it a lot, I believe. At least that was the feedback I got. Seemed like they really enjoyed it. And I think I was able to inspire a lot of kids and show what it really takes to consistently make money trading. Yeah, and I dude, it's funny. I had my videographer with me, and he's like, the teacher was great. He was so kind. He's like, I'm pretty sure the teacher was enjoying it more than the students. Teacher was loving it. He's like, this guy's awesome. I'm like, yeah, I try to be awesome. Not always awesome. every day. All right, let's get it. Okay, TikTok Live. My name is Jdun. My @ is Team Bull Trading. It is 7:09 a.m. Mountain Time. This is authentic and real-time live, and this is not financial advice on a simulated market. Not financial advice, and the charts on the screen are a simulated market. All right, let's see if we can get this to work again. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Team Bull. That was a good time. So yeah, the trades I took yesterday with let me show you guys. Do you guys want to see the trades that I took yesterday with the high schoolers, or just do you guys not care? Want to see the trades I put them on to? Called two winners. Well, all right, fine. I'll show you. So the two trades that I took were, is this Thursday? Oh, my alarm's on. All right, so let's start from the back. The second trade of the day that I took, and honestly, I actually preferred the second one over the first one. We have 15-minute high and 15-minute low. All right, 5, 10, 15. All right, we have that pre-market high and pre-market low. So, can anyone guess through this chart what trade was actually the first one that we took? Does anyone who knows how I trade and use the 15-minute high and 15-minute low and pre-market high and pre-market low? Does anyone want to take a guess at where our first trade came on the first one? There was actually two beautiful setups you could have taken. I didn't get there till, mind you, I didn't get there until 8:20. So none of this is valid. This actually looks like a beautiful retest of this 15-minute low. This would have been a crazy trade to the downside. I'm sure someone in Team Bull caught it. If you guys trade how I trade, this opening range read was a money bags retest up here. I didn't get there till about 8:20. So I got there right around this time, right? Like 8:15. So the trade that we got was, we got this aggressive move up above the 15-minute low, strong body. We come back, retest this level, take the longs, stops below this level here, right? On this retest down towards 600. So about 30 points of risk, and we see a really nice move up. That was the first trade we took because we reclaimed this level, we retested, held with strength, and then ended up moving up. The second trade that we took is another textbook trade that we love here. Now, on this particular trade, where's my chart all messed up? 5, 10, 15 to 600. All right. So on this, I was teaching them what a 2-bar setup was, where we had failure to go higher, and then we had an aggressive full body candle to the downside. So if you guys are watching on this, I said ideally we get that pullback into the 50% retracement of this candle. We pop back up, right? We take the shorts, we put our stops above that trend-setting candle high. We wait. We get the move down to 630s. We don't take any trims because it doesn't fit our risk reward. We get this pop back up. We stay patient. Our stops are set. And then we get this aggressive flush down. These kids were just in awe when I was showing them these trades and, catching 2 trades back to back that both went in our direction. They're like, oh my gosh, this was great. You're not gambling. You're educated, systematically trading. I'm like, yes, that's what we do in Team Bowl. That's what we do, baby. Oh, you already know the short king rips shorts. Come on now. I'm the short king, baby. Man, I would have for sure. Hopefully, y'all were all in Team Bowl and watching this and took this trade right here. I mean, this is a textbook pull back up. I 100% would have taken this. 655, 630, 625, right? Perfect area, 30 points of risk. Beautiful. How was Gene yesterday? Gene said he did good. I heard Gene caught a winner, too, with the boys. You guys enjoy Gene? He said he actually caught 2 winners. Heard he called you guys out of banging game. He's a really good trader. He's great. Gene's a baller, shot caller. I owe him a lamb chop. I owe him a Lambo. So I taught 2 classes yesterday, and I really felt like I did better in the second one. I mean, I did good, in my opinion, on both, and that's the feedback I got. Maybe they were all just being nice. But on the second class, I really felt more in tune. I did sell the green car. Yup. The owner wasn't at the dealership, though, and I have a very good relationship with them, so he has to come technically sign the check. So they have the car, inspection's all good. I just have to go pick up my check. I got 700 racks waiting for me at the dealership. Did I drive my Honda or Lambo? Well, I had to drive the green car there for them to take it. So Gene drove me home. Gene has a Jeep. Jeep Gene. Oh, to the school. I took the lamb chop, and the kids were loving it. Hey, you know what? I was like, if I pull up in this car, maybe I bet they'll really listen to what I have to say. And the thing is, too, is what I spoke about a lot when I was teaching was the discipline side of trading and how they're in high school and they're going to be tempted with drugs and alcohol and vaping and partying. And, I said, guys, I get it. I've been that kid. I dropped out of high school to party and to vape and to do drugs and to take that alternative route. And I'll tell you now, as a 29-year-old, and I said they call me Unk in Team Bowl because I'm almost 30. They all start laughing. I'm like, why do y'all think it's funny too? You guys aren't supposed to laugh at that. And I was like, it's such a better life being sober, being locked in with discipline over dopamine, and ultimately you sacrifice that fun and that vice era for a life of freedom later on. And so I think that I really reached the kids with that and hopefully inspired some kids to, say no to vices when they come up, to choose DOD, to say no to weed, to say no to alcohol, to say no to drugs. Yep. Do what's difficult now, and your life will be easier later. Yeah, I definitely want to do it more. uh, has trading brought you any spiritual insights? I mean, it's made me be a better person in almost every way. Genuinely. You know what's beautiful, guys? I'll tell you 3 things that are beautiful about this morning. It's beautiful that we all get to wake up and have internet to trade, have trading accounts to trade, have the potential to make large amounts of money in doing this. The second thing that is beautiful is that we're getting some really good price action. I think that we're going to be able to capitalize on that today. You know, we're healthy, we're happy. The third beautiful thing is it's the last Friday before the Denver Broncos kick that Patriot butt and send ourselves to the Super Bowl, mother effer. Let's go! It's Stiddy, baby. There ain't no party like a Stiddy party. Let's go! It's Stiddy time, Stiddy City. I can't wait, because on Monday, I'm going to be coming in with my Broncos gear on and saying, all right, where y'all haters at? Step forward. Step forward. It's Broncos country. I'm going to the game, too. It's going to be freezing. It's going to be so cold. I'm going to be there, and when we win, when Broncos get this dub and head to the Super Bowl to play the Seahawks, it's going to be a movie. We got Nick Foles 2.0 loading right now. This second, Nick Foles 2.0 is coming in, baby. Oof. He's ready. What's up, Grizzly? I can barely hear you. Why can't I barely hear you? Probably. Now I can hear you. Now I can. What up, dog?
Much, man. If we can end this week with 5.
Yeah, so I heard that you guys all had a good day yesterday trading live while I was at the school.
Yeah, it went well. Solid morning.
It's great. Gene caught some winners. You and Greg caught some winners. Life's good. I'm trying to catch a winner today too. I'm just getting dogged on. You gotta have my back about my Broncos. I know you're putting Broncos money line on.
I'd like to see him win it.
Yes, there we go. That's the energy I'm looking for. I got the DOD cup. Face. Yep. What's up, bro? Good. Honestly, bro, literally anyone but the Rams can win. Honestly, at this point, I would prefer Bo and Mr. Stiddy. I guess Seahawks would be fine. Even New England, if they beat us, you know what? I'll be salty for a few days, but then we just cannot let the Rams win. My goodness, we cannot let a California team win. I know Gene would have my back if he was here. Can't do it. They cannot beat us. They can't do it. Hey, California is a beautiful state. I'm just saying. Y'all sports teams, we got beef. We got beef. I liked them more when they were the St. Louis Rams. What do you say, bro?
What's your day? It's good.
Oh, it was great, bro. I caught 2 winning trades. I made like $600 in front of them. We didn't put on much risk, but they watched me make $600 live. We planned out the trades. I told them exactly why we were taking the trades based on the system, and we went 2 for 2. So they were really intrigued how we made $600 in like 30 minutes total. They just thought that was the coolest thing ever. And, I was able to show them what DOD looked like and, what an alternative career or a side career could look like if they decided to start trading. So, it was cool that I told them, I was like, hey, we might not get a trade. We choose DOD at Team Bull. And if we don't get an A+ setup, then we won't take it. Sir. Was good, Dylan, bro. I'm pretty sure we met or played sports together back in the day. Becker's coming to see me this weekend. We're going to the Broncos game. That's hilarious. I'm going to take a picture of your comment. Welcome to the live. We're going to make some money today. Middle school basketball, bro. Those are the days. Those were the days, man. Good old Lincoln. Does Bentley have the Revuelto? No. Mike Ward does. Mike Ward has the whip. Yes, sir. Bro, I need y'all to please tell me not to do something. I need y'all to tell me not to do something. You ready to see it? They're trying to convince me, bro. They're trying to convince me to do this. I think that I need to put the money into Bitcoin. Bro. Someone please tell me not to do this. Ready? Oh, someone tell me not to buy this bad boy. Oh, she's so sexy, though. Oh, she's so sexy. The GT. Oh, hello. What's up, boy? The GT2 RS is so sexy. Tell me that is just not the most beautiful car ever. Gosh, tell me not to do it, guys. I can't. Tell me to stop buying cars. But it's a Porsche. If I don't drive it, it'll keep its value, right? That's actually a really good investment. Tell me that car is not crazy. And honestly, GT2 RSs and GT3 RSs are very good investments if you keep the miles low. You know what's crazy is I swear to you, whenever I don't post my cars a ton anymore, but whenever I post about like my boy's white Porsche, or I post about a Porsche versus when I post about a Lambo, like the Porsches always do better. I just feel like people like to see Porsches more than they like seeing like exotics like Lambos per se. I just feel like a Porsche is a more like genuine luxury and respected car. Am I out of pocket saying that? Or do y'all agree with that? I feel like people just genuinely like Porsches like that more than they like Lambos. Genuinely. Like they just do better. They get more views on social media. People respect them more. They're more interested in them. Yeah, I think so too. And honestly, I've never had a Porsche, so I've thought about joining the gang. They're expensive. That car's like $500,000. I didn't realize how expensive GT2 RS and GT3 RS was. Like they're freaking expensive. Yeah, they're no joke.
Yeah, so I'm gonna into these silver levels there. It's collecting silver, so feel free to take it.
Yeah.
Where's silver at right now?
Yeah. Sorry, I was muted. I just was letting Greg do his levels.
I can barely hear Greg on the Zoom. It may be my audio. Can you hear me now? Yeah, I can hear you, Greg. It's kind of low. Apologize for any background noise. They're cleaning my house.
It's better than the background noise there used to be when you joined Team Bull. Remember that, Grizzly?
That's true. Be right back.
Big. All right. Let's get it today, everybody. DOD. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. We got 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds till market open. Again, let's focus on following our system. Trading smart, trading safe, and securing the bag. We want to secure the bag. We don't want to get caught holding the bag. We want to secure the bag. Are you trading some 0 DTE Tesla today or what? Or what? I think we might be. Let's see. I am gonna throw out my options chain. I was teaching them about trading options at the class too. I was just let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Grizzly, I need a winning trade or else. You don't want to know. You don't want to know what the
Where did you say, Greg? Audio.
Testing. Nice. Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can count to 10. I know a little bit. I can hold my ground.
Look at silver, guys. Look at we entered the yellow box. Now we're in the flower box. Who's color? Massive. Plan is working on silver.
It is really cold here. Is it cold down in the south yet for anyone who's down there? Prayers up for all you guys that are expected to get hit by a storm. Hope everything stays safe and isn't as bad as what the news was potentially saying. Prayers up for y'all. Yeah, that ice is no joke. Negative 30 wind chill in Chicago is crazy. All right, let's see. We got Tessie Baby pulled up. What's yesterday's? She might have a bounce area at Tesla at like 440. 440 cut.
Rejecting top of the box. Expect them. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we get the shots. It took some scalp on silver, so now focusing on thinking, it's quick.
Let's see. What's up? On the link above. All right. Yeah, that negative wind chill is crazy. Prayers up for y'all that are in the freezing cold.
It just was too fast. Anyone took that rejection? 653. Thank you. Look at silver. The perfect yellow line.
All right, let's get it, everybody. I'm going to wait the first 15, 20 minutes per usual. Trade smart, trade safe. To the TikTok live, as a reminder, to the algo, this is an authentic live. This is not financial advice, and this is simulated trading. We're just having fun looking at candles move up and down.
Work.
Certainly not catching bangers. If you guys want the full screen share, you guys can head over to the YT, Jdun Trades. Yep, it's going to be good. We're going to catch winning trade. Broncos are going to win. Life's going to be good. Top step, give everyone a free combine. Yeah, I seen a Top Step give everyone a free combine. It seems like at least they're doing a little better these days. Seems like they're doing a little better with Project X. Got my first payout approved. Let's go! DOD. As a reminder, guys, if you guys want to trade futures with me today, if you guys want to take the same trades as I take, right now, Tradeify has daily payouts. The most beginner-friendly prop account in the industry. It's 30% off using code Jdun. I'll put the link in chat. Daily payouts are here. Tradeify select 50K account. 30% off using code Jdun. If you guys want to get an account right now, this is the best, most beginner-friendly, scalable account for beginners in the industry. I just put it in the YouTube chat. I recommend the Tradeify Select 50K account. It's like $100 with no activation fee. If you guys want to trade with me today, I recommend you go do that. You got $100. I'll do my absolute best to get you one day closer to passing and getting funded. Once you're funded, you can use this account to get daily payouts once you're past your buffer.
Rejection there. Something I took it. 60 points over here. 60 points already. From 653.
What the fuck? What the heck?
Silver scalping the yellow line was beautiful. Huge money. Man, you do a good scalp on silver and you are done for the day. Anyone took the yellow line on silver?
Jdun, I just wanted to say thank you so much, bro. You helped me out a lot. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Let's go. Trying to reach my buffer for my select account today. Help me out, Jdun. I got you. I'll do my absolute best to find you a winner. I got you, bro. All right, guys. So here's the deal. Nothing for me yet. We don't have our 15-minute range in. We've only been open 7 minutes. We got Tesla on the screen over here. No trades for me yet, personally. Just staying patient. I appreciate y'all being here and liking this live too, everyone. If you're in the TikTok, make sure you tap in and hit that screen over and over. And if you're in the YouTube, hit that thumbs up button. We got almost 800 people in here and not nearly 800 likes. We got 70 likes. Let's get that to 200, baby. Come on. If you're choosing DOD today, if you're choosing discipline over dopamine, hit that thumbs up button. I'm doing my absolute best to find you guys a winner. Choose discipline over dopamine, trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused today. In the club. As a reminder, TikTok, this is simulated trading, not financial advice. We're just having fun, watching some charts. Trying to find some dubs. Appreciate all y'all being here. As a reminder, if you guys are new to the live, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. Turn those notifications on. And if you guys want the full screen share, I'm live on YT. If I don't say it on one of my on my free live stream on TikTok, it restricts it. It's weird. They're super strict. So I got to say it every like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. They should just come join us all on YT. The U to the mother. Kraken. Tube. Jdun Trades. The only two free live streams are the TikTok and the YT. I host a page stream in Team Bowl on the Zoom. There's no lag. It's, I believe, the best place to be for less than a cup of coffee a day, but I host these free live streams as a courtesy. Let's go. That's got to get pinned. My boy Artif doesn't miss. DOD works for everyone new here. Been about 3 months watching and learning from Jdun and gotten multiple payouts and been able to build my PA to 3 now in Apex, trying to build 20. Let's go. DOD. 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 Chemical, I never talk about the paid tier just because it's on a free live. If you guys want to rock with Team Bull and join the community and be a part of the Zoom, people typically find it. But I'm not on here to sit here and shove that at you. Maybe if I catch you a massive winner, we'll talk about it. I don't like to talk about that stuff unless I make you some money first. Let me earn that right. And most people, not most, but a lot of, thank you guys. Those classes were amazing yesterday. I obviously missed trading with you guys, but those students were just in awe. It was so cool. I really think that I changed a lot of lives, a lot of future lives yesterday. There was like 60 plus students total. The principal came in, the security guard was in there. It was actually pretty crazy. Like, people just kept piling in. They were like, oh my gosh, because I was trading live for them. I made like $600 in front of them. They just thought it was so cool. The principal was in there listening to trading. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I thought it was so crazy. The principal came into the class yesterday, and he was even watching the trading presentation. He's like, wow, this is really cool. The principal's like, I want to make some more money, too. I'm going to go back to my office and take some trades. Yeah, the security guard came in. Do you tell principal you're funny? All right, we have today. Oh, we have PMI in 2 minutes. We also have consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. as well. Ooh. Yep, we have consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. and then we also have PMI in 2 minutes. Don't blame, don't blame, don't believe. All right, let's see here. It's freezing in the Midwest too today. Grandma texted me it's like negative 20 degrees wind chill in Nebraska. Don't blink. Don't blink. This isn't much of a 15-minute range, no, is it? Yeah, it probably is. Gone? You know, I might be. I have gotten a lot of people message me. They're like, Jdun, come to my school, come to my school. You know, maybe I'll make it a whole tour. I like to go to more schools. And honestly, I love teaching trading, and I genuinely have a passion for helping people learn with how much it changed my life. But I also like teaching the discipline side and implementing DOD into these kids' minds when they're surrounded with so many different vices, so many different destructive habits, and people pressuring them to do bad things and to procrastinate and to vape and to party and to do drugs and to take life easy at that age. So if I can go in and change lives with that and also teach them what it takes to make money trading and the simplicity that can be making money trading, then I love doing it. I had a lot of fun. It was very meaningful. I'm trying to get better at public speaking too, so that's the only way to do it, right? Just do it. Only way to get better is just to do it. All right. We got our 15-minute range in, everybody. 5, 10, 15. Gene will not be here today. I was supposed to be at the office, and I didn't make it to the office today. Tim, I won't be at the office next week either. I'll be in Miami. I'll be in Miami next Friday. I'm going to be honest, guys. I don't like going to Miami. I used to. I don't anymore. I'm too old for that. Oh, yeah, Gene, you can come on Zoom. Or if you want to do stages, you can do stages too. Make sure at the office, there's probably some... Greg in the shorts. No trades for me. Greg took the shorts. I'm personally still going to be waiting until I get my A+ setup. I'm going to wait until we get above or below these levels, guys. I likely won't take a trade in this range unless we see a really good candlestick that confirms. As a reminder, too, if you guys want to trade futures with me today for my next big trade, hopefully a big trade, right now I recommend getting the Tradeify 50K Select account. It's like $95 with code Jdun, so less than $100. And it has no activation fee.
What'd you say your stop loss was, Greg?
608.
608?
I appreciate you, Armando. Apex is the most scalable, but I will tell you that it's not extremely beginner friendly. If you want cheaper accounts and more scalability, then Apex is great. Right now, I'm talking about Tradeify. Very beginner friendly. Again, I always like to say this disclaimer too, is prop firms are not the end all be all. You guys don't want to be hamster wheeling prop accounts forever, but they can be good to get valuable experience, to build an edge, to get payouts and move that payout to a live account. Ultimately, if you guys have the experience and the money for a live account, just have a live account. You won't hear many influencers or people that have affiliate codes with these prop firms telling you that. Now, will you? I think that I was explaining this. One of the kids actually asked me yesterday in class. If you have to manage your trade, Greg, or you take anything, Greg, just let me know. But one of the kids in class asked me yesterday, and he's like, what do you think? Or he's like, what do you think about funded accounts? And I explained to him what I say on Team Bowl a lot is like, they can be good tools and you can use them to your benefit, but that's exactly what they are, is they're tools. They're not the end all be all. You don't want to be trading on fundeds forever. You don't want to be running evals and fundeds and challenges and stuff forever. They're great for valuable experience, having skin in the game, getting payouts, but you want to take those payouts and move them to your live account. Very important to remember. PMI gave us nothing. No trades for me yet, guys. We're stuck in this range. This Tesla actually looks like it might get some gas to it. This Tesla could get some gas to it. Let's see if this gives us a setup. I've been trying to join a real trading community. Which one would you recommend? I wonder. I heard there's this really chill guy, for the most part, that loves to say DOD and may bully you into following your rules and getting in better shape and trading with discipline and not gambling. I don't know. There's this guy out there. It's like Red Bull or Snowball or Team Bull or something. You found it, baby. Come on, hit that follow button. You're part of the team now. Team Bull, you found your squad. You found your squadron online. Just know that it's a little different. We don't rattle off trades here, though. You'll never hear me encouraging you to take 20 trades a day. I take 1 to 2 good trades a day, and sometimes it takes an hour 15, right?
Unless we get up around that previous day high.
Just waiting for this to play out, my friends. Most definitely. Let's see. So this Tesla, you guys see on screen share as well. I like how this 5-minute candle closed. I like how we held this low here. I am open to a Tesla longs entry if we can get some sort of 2-bar setup here. I'm open to it. I'm open to some Tesla longs if we get a 2-bar entry as well, guys. For my individual options traders. I'm still watching NQ, of course. Might get the 2-bar setup. We were right below the 50% retracement before, so that kind of invalidated that for me at the beginning. Don't. Gene said he wants to come say hi. So Gene will come on the Zoom and say hello. We might get this 2-bar setup on Tesla in which we can look for a pullback down and set our stops accordingly. What's up, Gene? Watching for this entry on Tesla.
I feel like we're waiting for this news.
Yep. Consumer sentiment. Waiting for this pullback. If we get a pullback down to this level here on Tesla, I'm open to trying some calls near like 47.50. I don't know if we get it, but I am open to this pullback and continuation up. Hey, Gene, I heard you were hitting some bangers yesterday.
Yep, I did. I did great.
Neo asked in Team Bull Chat, have you ever done a lesson on the 50% in 60.618 retracement levels? All the time. If we end up catching a trade using them today, I'll break it down. And after the trading day, I'm happy to answer any questions and break that down as well. Gene was electric. Damn, they're not going to give us that 2-bar pullback on Tesla, huh? As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button. I trade live every day. I have 2 free live streams and 1 paid. The free live stream is here on TikTok. As a reminder, TikTok, this is simulated trading. This is not financial advice. We're just having fun looking at candlesticks. And for the YT, for the U to the mother effing tube, we are live here as well. I appreciate y'all hitting that bell icon, turning those notifications on so you don't miss any trades, and choosing DOD, discipline over dopamine. I'm going to get myself some water and some more coffee. I'll be right back, everybody. Going to get water and more coffee, so I hope that it doesn't give us a massive move when I leave. It probably will.
Anybody was trading with you last night? Told you not to call. Don't sleep. Don't go. Should have turned around and took those.
Hello? Jeez Louise, what is happening? Consumer sentiment's happening. All right, let's see what we get here. Technically valid on the orb. Let's see the weather, 620. I will watch for a pullback down. I'll watch for the pullback down to enter some longs, everybody. I'm open to it with stops below 620. That would have to be your stop level.
Yeah, my camera on.
I'm going to look for a pullback down to like 650-ish area. Stops below like 620. That will be my first trade of the day, guys. If we get down to the 640 to 650 area, I will almost certainly try the longs with stops below the 620. It's the 618. You guys all know my game plan so far? I will keep my stops if I take that trade below 618. So I will take a loss if we pull back and I enter and we go below this previous candle low. I'm not sure if we're going to get this pullback, though. I wanted that 2-bar setup on Tesla. I didn't get that either. I don't think we're going to get it. I was hoping we would. That's how the Broncos are about to run away with this game on Sunday. Just straight, no pullbacks. Man, I thought they were going to give us that move. The first initial pullback. $745. Let's see this. All right. We're not going to get that pullback, guys. We might get a 2-bar setup, though, if we don't sweep this pre-market high first. We'll see. As a reminder, if you're here on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single morning, help you guys choose discipline over dopamine, teach you my simple and effective trading system, and help you guys level up every day. Appreciate all y'all following. And as a reminder, I'm live with full screen share on the U to the Tube every morning too. Jdun Trades. All right. Well, all right, guys. 2-bar setup's technically valid. We're close to pre-market high. So if we were to take 2-bar setup and a higher low entry, it'd have to be. Oh, whoops. They'd have to be at like 680-ish, 685, with stops below 661. My only fear with that is if you try here, I guess you could technically try with a little less size and then I guess add as we move down. But the technical 2-bar setup entry area would be around the 685 right here, as you can see on screen share. We might not get it. Still watching for the pullback, guys. I'm also watching this Tesla for longs as well. I wanted to see a bit more pullback down to that 50% retracement. I'm also watching that as well. Staying patient. No trades yet.
I'm here, Tingle. I just unmuted. I'm focused in here.
Oh.
For a trade. Trying to get us a winning trade here in the week.
We touched the top of that zone for the 2-bar setup. We just wicked down, touched the top of that zone. This may be where we bounce in here, guys. I prefer 2-bar setups to the downside. It's... Sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say, we're touching supply right now in the hourly, so it's kind of a hard area to take a trade from. Like, we had high volume candle. We could bounce right here. 680 should be our entry. Just going to try long. It stops 662, but it's hard for me to go long because we just touched supply. That's my thoughts, T. I just want to update you all.
Well, it finally happened, guys. They finally restricted the TikTok. It lasted a while. I'm going to have to restart this live potentially in a few minutes. As a reminder, TikTok, you guys can head on over to YouTube as well. YouTube is our best free live stream. You get full screen share access to all my levels, all by Fibonacci retracements, everything that you need to see in real time. If you go to YouTube and type in Jdun Trades, you'll find my free live stream. Need all of y'all to tap in. Head on over to YouTube for me, all right? the goated live stream. Let's see if this ends up working out. We'll see if this level we had marked out on screen share works. I did not take this, by the way. This was not a call out. I did not take the trade when we popped back. I'm staying a bit more patient today. We didn't have a lot of room to pre-market high, so that kind of spooked me a little bit. It spooked me just a little bit. It spooked me. I appreciate y'all that tune into YouTube every day, guys. We've been growing this community every day. We've grown into one of the largest live trading streams in the entire industry, which is pretty sweet if you ask me. Appreciate y'all coming, supporting Discipline Over Dopamine, supporting your boy. I'll always do my best to help you guys out. We ride the ship together. We win together. We lose together. I did semi-like longs, not enough to put risk on, but that's what we've had marked out on screen share. If you were on the YouTube, you'd see. Appreciate y'all being here today, choosing DOD, trading smart and trading safe, everybody. I did not take this entry on this retest here. It looked decent. I'm just waiting a little bit. If we get a pullback further, I likely will try something down here with stops below 620. Just a bit more risk than I wanted to put on today. I just realized Tesla hit my exact bounce level too. All right, let's see. What do you like, Gene? Something you like?
Ideally, I'll go back to longs.
That's what I'm watching for too. It's just not quite deep enough for me.
I would like to go back to like to the lower. That would be awesome.
Y'all are ridiculous. All right, still staying patient. Yep, I'll watch for this move back to the orb level too. What are you looking for, Grizzly? Longs or shorts? Well, I have a feeling you were looking for shorts.
If we get a high volume low candle here, I'll look for retracement for shorts.
I knew you were.
If it's lower volume, I'm looking more for a bounce from the pre-market high area.
You mean 15-minute high?
Pre-market high 2658.
Oh.
But I want my average to be the 50. So if we push down, I'll add a little more, or in the 40s rather. Sorry. Because my stop will have to be like a 620.
I'd like to see move down to 658 too. I like that area. This could be the area. This could be. There's a chance. There's a slight possibility we don't go lower than the 678. It's just not quite high enough for me to put risk on quite yet. Might be choosing a little too much DOD here, but there's a world where we continue higher and we go retest pre-market high off this candle or this from London high back here. It's actually right here. I had my level wrong. Let's see how that 2-bar setup ends up playing out. Wicked above it, above that 50% retracement. Ooh. We might do it. It's been 45 minutes so far. No trade for me yet. I did not participate in the 2-bar setup. I honestly prefer it to the downside. I will take it to the upside on occasion. We just didn't have a lot of room back to this high up here. It was pretty much 1-to-1 risk reward. So we'll see. I still am watching the 650 area, 658 for longs. 650 to like 658. Shorts below or stops below like 620. Watching Tesla as well. Stay impatient, everybody. Choosing DOD, stay impatient. All right, guys, still waiting. If we get a higher volume, solid upside candle here, we could potentially try longs with stops below this previous candle low, but it would have to be confirmation to the upside. I have to get confirmation to the upside in that candle. Otherwise, I would not participate. Tesla is dumping. Tessie baby is dumping. Still no entry for me. See, just waiting. Interesting candle here. High volume red. Interesting. Yeah, I can't long this candle right here. We could, technically high a day, but this is a tough candle to long. We had aggressive wick down, rising selling volume. That's tough to definitely and below the 50% retracement. So personally, I'm going to hold off. Even if we go on this candle and nuke up and hit this pre-market high, I have no regrets on not entering longs down here. So I'm just going to wait. If we get a strong candle here, maybe we enter and try to test up. But this is a candle right here with this volume that I personally can't participate in. See, it's what I said. Even if we go up, we nuke up, we see the world's largest green candle. I will never, almost never, long an aggressive push down below a key level with rising volume like we see here. So I still have my plan in place. I'd like to see 658 to 650 for a bounce. If we sweep this high and then show signs of reversal, we can look for a reversal to the downside. Other than that, I'm just going to stay patient. If we end up slowly grinding up, there's a good chance I don't take a trade. Sticking to this code, all these people from the streets. I've been trading for almost 10 years, but not almost 10 years professionally, just in total. What kind of manipulation is this, guys? Look at that. Look at that manipulation. That's crazy. VPA straight up disrespected right there, bro. That is disrespectful. Straight up. Straight up, bro. That is crazy. Look at that. Literally the exact scenario I said. I said we could get a massive Hulk candle up. That's what we get. No regrets, though. I know. It really was, bro. It was. Yep. I guess if we get a super strong candle here, we could technically wait for a pullback and try it. 2-bar setup here. Try a pullback of this aggressive candle at pre-market high. It's potentially an option. That could be an option. I'm not saying it will be, but could be. It definitely wanted to try to get us to short, which sometimes, honestly, I might have tried.
I was thinking about it, but I seen that the delta was green on that red candle.
That is insane. Wow. Well, market. I see you. And the long did work technically on the 2-bar setup. It was just, I didn't like that previous 5-minute candle. So no regrets there. Sometimes if I get stopped early or miss a silly trade, or miss a good trade that I have silly execution on, I'll have some regret. But there's no regret in me not longing this aggressive candle here. Let's see how we react. How this candle closes up here. Let's see, 674. Maybe we look for like a 700 area entry. I mean, this pre-market high might be it. That's the only problem. I don't want to keep on days where we just ride up with minimal pullback. Those are my least least profitable types of days.
You said pre-market high.
Yeah, I look at London High, bro. It's up here at yeah, that's what I use. I don't use the SPY and QQ pre-market. I use the 2 a.m. Eastern time.
Pre-market starts at 4.
For my reference. Well, I speak on pre-market from London, I guess. It's like the 726 area.
Look at this level 750, guys. See what happened here.
Come on, give us some sort of pullback. Please. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. If you guys go to your YouTube app and type in Jdun Trades, I'm live there with full screen share and daily live trading. I also have lots of free game there. Make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on. Let's get to the money. You guys should all be subscribed to the YouTube as well. I have tons of free game on there. Even if you want to watch the live on TikTok for whatever reason, or inside Team Bull, you should all still be subscribed to the YouTube. Lots of free game, lots of valuable game. Tesla's just sitting around opening print-ish area. No trade on it for me yet. Woo.
So, Mr. Jacob.
Being a very patient boy.
You're being patient. Very good.
Being patient. Doing good. I'm being patient. I will watch for this pullback down here. If we catch a trade today, I don't think it's going to be super big. If it's to the upside, we might get like 30, 40, maybe 50 points.
I'm gonna watch for a long entry around the 720 to 700 area.
Yep, that's what I'm watching too.
Stop below like 675.
Yep, that's it. That's the one. That's what I'm watching too, bro. It's my main watch right now. Come on, give us our pullback. Come on, give us our pullback. Give us a pullback to 720, preferably like 700 area. Come on now. Will it? I don't know, but that's what I'd like to see. Oof. All right. Yawn. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Yawn, 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 yawn. Now would be a great time for a pullback to around like 710. I'd even settle for that. I'd put on a little more risk. I'd put on a little more points risk with just a tad bit less size. I don't know if we get it though. If we do end up slowly trending up like we potentially see here, I probably won't take a trade. I'll be around for another hour or so, but ish. If we take out these previous highs, not likely, but it will be less probability we get that bounce area down at 710. Staying patient, y'all. Choosing discipline over dopamine, trading smart, trading safe, and implementing DOD every second of every day when we're trading. Implementing DOD every day. I know it can be tough sometimes, but it's what gets you paid, and it's not just what makes you money, but keeps you more money in the long term. I did take the lamb chop to school yesterday, to the high school. Caught 2 winning trades for him. That was cool. I want to do it again. I don't think we're going to get that pullback so far, guys. It's not giving it yet. It's making us really earn it. No trades on Tesla is potentially looking for a reversal. We see that in this previous 5 minute. I went to a high school yesterday and was teaching 2 classes of about 30 kids each how to trade, and about my story, about how I changed my life, how I use trading to change my life, and showing them what it takes if they want to build trading as a part-time or a full-time income. It was cool. Made $600 in front of them, so they were able to see me actually make money and do it with real money in front of them. Which honestly, I'm just saying, I don't know a lot of other traders and influencers that would have the cojones to go execute live in front of classes of people they don't know and teach their system live and show them it worked live in real time. Just saying, I was pretty proud of that.
Gene, I need a trade right now.
Yeah, Gene, where's our trade?
I don't have a trade right now. I'm chilling. I'm looking for the same thing as you, a pullback. I was on the call with the insurance company and I missed my loans on ES.
Taking out a policy on Jdun?
No, trying to figure out policy because somebody hit one of the loans.
Car insurance.
New highs. New highs. That makes our.
Why couldn't give us a pullback to at least the 20s? Come on,
I don't know.
so close.
Nothing. Just face ripper up. But 2-bar setup worked. I didn't have a piece of it, but did work.
I would consider it possible Asia High. Right now, the Overnight High, Asia High area.
For longs?
Yeah. In the 30s, 31.
It's also next to previous day high, too. Is it snowing today? It is snowing.
Is there supposed to get a lot of snow this weekend, Jdun?
It's supposed to be cold, especially in the mountains. It is supposed to be cold. All right, TikTok. I'm going to restart this live. If you guys want to head over to YouTube, you can. It's Jdun Trades. It's a better live stream anyway, in my opinion. You get full screen share and access to all my marked levels and trades. Again, that's Jdun Trades on YouTube. I just put it in the chat. Go to your YouTube app or on your computer, type in Jdun Trades, subscribe. I'm going to restart this live now. All right, we're going to restart the other free live stream. All right, TikTok. This is not financial advice. My name is Jdun. The ad is at Team Bull Trading. This is simulated trading and an authentic and an integrity-filled live. Not financial advice. Just watching charts move.
Look like a no trade Friday.
Could be.
I'm just saying that.
Could be, bro. Definitely could see that.
So Christina's crushing it.
Always. You ain't even know this. Way back from nothing, Christian Dior. Let's go. I just got a payout approved from Apex. DOD all day, every day. That's awesome. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Use code JDUN. You get payout protection with Apex. Appreciate y'all using code JDUN, getting the best discount. It's 80% off right now. Apex, Tradeify, and Alpha Futures are my 3 best firms. It's DOD to the moon, baby. DOD is what pays. Those daily payouts are great. Yep, if you guys want a chance to take my next trade with me, the best, most beginner-friendly, and arguably trader-friendly account right now in the game is Tradeify's Select 50K account. Choose the Select 50K. You can use code Jdun for 30% off. And we'll see if we can get you guys moving towards passing. It's a 3-day eval instead of Take Profit Traders 5-day. It's end-of-day drawdown versus intraday unfunded like Take Profit Trader. You can have up to 5 accounts. If you guys haven't got one yet to trade and to have some skin in the game, I highly recommend before our next trade, you can go here, use code JDUN, get yourself a Select 50K account for less than $100. It's like $95. No wins yet, but no losses either. There's no losses, also no wins yet, no trades. No trades yet, guys. Just using DOD. If we slowly grind up, I likely get no trades. I'll be around for about 45 more minutes. Maybe it will be one of those days where I leave and you guys get a massive move. Interested to see what Tesla does. It's kind of consolidating back and forth. What you still love? 5 a.m. I'm almost 21 months of no alcohol. How crazy is that? Almost 21 months of no alcohol. Coming up on 2 years. Do you guys think I keep going after 2 years? Do I go for a year 3 after year 2, or do I go back to Margs and money? I honestly really have no interest to go back. Chug a bottle was crazy. It is honestly low-key overrated.
What a patient here.
I just decided to cut it out 21 months ago. I was never an alcoholic. I just didn't like it that much. It wasn't benefiting my life in any way, shape, or form. Like, there's literally not one single true benefit to drinking. Even in moderation, right? There's no benefit to it. You might enjoy it. Might have fun with it, I guess. You could argue that it's fun for you, but I can have just as much fun sober. So we'll see. Going at least till May 5th of 2026. Then I might I might sign another year contract. Like athletes, I might sign another year contract. Might extend my contract, take my player option. How will you watch your Broncos lose without a drink is crazy work.
That was cold. Whoever said that.
That's savage. Yeah, now we come on Sunday.
That was good. Who said that?
It was in another chat. How dare you, Grizzly? Don't compliment that. You're supposed to be on my team.
Solid burn.
I root for the Vols. You got to root for my Broncos.
Oh, I will be. Just saying. I appreciate a good burn.
Appreciate a good burn.
Medium lady is done.
Pat's Nation. Oh man, I'm sorry. Pat's Nation's about to be crumbling soon. I'm honestly glad that the Pats are playing my Broncos versus the Texans. The Texans defense was brutal. I appreciate you, bro. Only guy I trust when it comes to trading is Jdun. I appreciate that, man. That gets a pinned message. That gets pinned. No Knicks equals easy dub. No, no, no. You guys don't understand. There ain't no party like a stiddy party. It's about to go down. It's Stiddy City.
What party did you say?
A stiddy party.
I thought you said no party like a Diddy.
No, stiddy, that's the play on words, because LeBron was like, there ain't no party like a Diddy party. So like the phrase, like there ain't no party like a stiddy party, because our new quarterback has stid him. That's the play on words. Stiddy, get it? Stiddy Diddy. I thought it was funny.
And whenever the show about that was like big on Netflix, you know, when your show goes off, sometimes like a screensaver will come on. I woke up, it was just him staring at me on the TV. It's horrible screensaver. Why would Netflix do that?
Oh, we're not gonna get this pullback, huh? If we just slow grind up, it's my least profitable type of day. Stidham, people forget he's like the 33rd highest paid quarterback in the league. I think he's the highest paid backup. Bro makes like $6 million a year. He cakes. He's gonna be showing it too. Oh, y'all haters. City. That's what's coming. Yeah, we're going to the game too. I'm going with a few of my homies from Nebraska. A few of my day ones. Tesla's making its way back. Actually, would have been decent for a move up here and a pullback. We just didn't get it. As a reminder, TikTok, this is not financial advice to the algorithm. This is simulated trading in a simulator. Please don't restrict us. This is very authentic. My name is Jdun and my Addis Team Bull Trading. I'm also live on the the Tube every morning and right now as well at Jdun Trades.
I'm not looking for any short or anything right here. I don't see anything else we're going to sell off yet. We could get some kind of divergence inside our next supply here. I would be considerate, but pullback for long seems to be the move right now.
This could be a 2-bar setup. It's possible. We have rising volume and rising volume. It's just high a day. It's just so risky. Above high a day. I like taking it and more so for one, downtrends. For two, you've just been slowly grinding up. Well, this wasn't really slow right here, but no deep pullbacks, I should say.
I have another decent volume candle here. All I've done is yawned all morning.
I'm going to use the restroom quick, guys. I'll be right back. Don't miss me too much. Maybe you'll get your 2-bar set up here. Please take this quiet time and explain the 2-bar strategy. So basically what the 2-bar strategy is to me is it's used to catch trends. And it's when you have one move up, ideally increasing volume, and a second aggressive candle up, preferably full body, again with rising volume, you use it to take the 50% retracement of that trend-setting candle, catch the higher low with stops below the candle low. It's a little higher risk strategy, but it's best used when you don't have any key levels nearby and you're trying to catch an aggressive trend to the up or preferably, for me, to the downside. One point of emphasis I had for the high schoolers yesterday as well is that we are day traders. We're not trade everyday traders. So if you don't take a trade for a day, it's completely okay. You don't have to trade every day.
Still around, Greg?
I'm still here.
Just making sure. Hadn't heard from you yet.
Just watching here.
I was just posted up.
It's not going to give us a pullback today. Not enough to make. Enough to take a trade, at least.
Nope. No pullback, no trade. No pullback, no trade. That's the new song I'm making. It's called NPNT. No pullback, no trade. Wow. Boring. Some say Jdun is still waiting on the pullback to this day. On Monday, if God allows, I'll be able to cash out another 5K, making it 15K this week thanks to DOD. Let's go. Let's go, baby. That's dope. Helping more of y'all get payouts and becoming liabilities to these prop firms. Hope you guys come to this live stream every morning and make yourself practice DOD. I just realized Tradeify is actually 40% off. The sale ends today. How did I not realize that? If you guys are looking to get a select 50K account, 40% off ends today. That's why it's $95. I was wondering that. The best account, the most trader-friendly account in the industry right now is with Tradeify. If you guys go get a 50K select funded account, it's a 3-day eval, end of day drawdown, and comes with daily payouts once you pass. No brainer, guys. If you're looking to trade futures with me and take my next trade, start working towards getting daily cash payouts. Get yourself a Tradeify Select 50K account. It's way better than Take Profit Trader in literally every way. Yep. You can trade futures with Tradeify. Yep. You sure can. It's the final day of 40% off. So while we're waiting, if you guys want to get an account for us potentially to catch a trade in the next 30 minutes, now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Use code Jdun. I appreciate y'all supporting me, and I'll always do my best to help y'all pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. No activation fee with the accounts either. Nope. The LAX. Jeez Louise. No pullback. Just none. No pullback, bro. Just none. Literally. Gene, where's our trade? Last time I checked, you were supposed to get us a trade. I don't see a trade.
I told you to go long. I texted you.
Oh man. Oh, 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 pull back. Pull back. Maybe I start yelling at the market, it'll pull back. This is my least profitable type of day, guys. Whenever we just grind up without deep pullbacks. I had to hype myself. I got to keep myself going somehow. Come on. The select plan on Tradeify is the best for beginners, in my opinion. I can get down with that. Listen, Jdun, I come to this live every day until next ski season. We got to rip a run. Beaver Creek, I'm down. Beaver Creek's my spot, bro. You tell me. I'm down. Next time I'm there. As long as you're a good skier. I don't ski with beginners. Gene can vouch for that, bro. It ain't even personal.
You ski with me.
Yeah, not for very long. I said, figure it out. I'll see you later. How many times have I sat and waited? Not many. Oh, Tyler Crook's got the profile picture of the day. Yes. Steady. Oh my gosh, guys, where's our pullback at? Hello, can we get a pullback, please? Can I please request a pullback? The 15-minute orb worked on Tesla too. My plan here is to wait and stay patient. That's my ultimate plan, guys. There's a good chance I don't take anything if this continues. So again, I'm here for the long term. No trades yet for me, guys.
Well, Kinkle, I think I'm going to give up on catching a trade today. Did not get me.
It's already too long now.
You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to go get some steak early today.
Go get yourself some steak, maybe some sushi this weekend.
Hey, Grizzly,
For sure.
medium, huh?
I'm ready for some. What are you eating this weekend, Greg? Steak?
Probably tomorrow, my friend. Ribeye, 400 grams, medium. Guacamole. That's the plan.
You like spicy foods, Greg?
To be honest, not much. I don't. When I make my guacamole, I make it normal. I don't eat too much spicy. So It's gonna be soft.
I'm always eating something spicy. I like the pickled spicy foods.
Yeah. I mean, I don't. I've never liked it.
My part of town. Don't. All right. Let's see. Damn, our 50% retracement isn't until 700. That's crazy.
There's no way it's about to make a move down. I'm about to get off here.
Yeah, Grizzly. Just say you start talking about leaving and it started moving. So you know what? Go get yourself a nice steak, nice thing of sushi. You know what? If we catch a trade, I'll even pay for it.
Just text me if you take a trade.
You know what's funny is I told you that last time before I caught that banger, and then I forgot to text you, and I was on chat. I was like, oh, Grizzly's gonna be mad at me. I forgot to tell him.
I've never traded before, but I think that may be up there. What is that? Back. Kinders? I like the Kinder season. Where would you catch a bounce here, Jdun?
Oh gosh, that's tough, bro. I mean, so let's say from the start of this aggressive uptrend at like 675 from this previous 2-bar, we draw 50% up. I don't have anything till like 750 maybe. I don't even there. I don't really love that. I honestly don't really have anywhere. Maybe like the 790, 800, maybe like 800. Like 800 down to like 790 with stops below like 770. I guess I could see that. I don't love it, but this might be where we bounce, like around this 800 area.
Say the word. I'm ripping it.
I just don't want to try that and then have a death candle down when it's not something super high probability. Yeah, I think the move for DOD might be if we're gonna take a bounce, have to be like a sweep below 800 reclaim.
All right, everyone. Have a good weekend.
All right, bro.
See you all bright and early Monday.
Have a good day. I'll text you if I find anything.
See you.
All I have now is my model of my old green car that they give you when you spec. RIP. That's all we have left is the model. It's been a long day without the Revlotto, my friend. I don't think we're going to get any deeper pullback, guys. This might have been it. I'm like 806. It's not looking probable. It's not looking too probable, mate. As a reminder to the TikTok algorithm that loves restricting us, this is not financial advice. This is simulated trading, and we're just sitting here watching candlesticks. It's a real-time live, 9:11 a.m. on the 23rd of January, and I trade live every day, so make sure you guys tap in, hit that follow button if you're new here. I give all my trades live in real time, and if you guys want full screen share, I'm also live on the U to the Tube. You to the Tube, full screen share, same name. If you guys go and search up Jdun Trades, you'll find it. I also have a lot of free game. I have a free course on there. It's our most focused live stream. I put 2,700 miles on it. Appreciate you, Bill. Much love, bro. Appreciate you and the kind words. Hope you all choose DOD this weekend. Discipline over dopamine. I got 15 more minutes, guys. 15 more minutes, Team Bull. Going to be choosing DOD to the maximum today. You're a bad ASS, Jdun. Thank you, bro. Do my best. I'm not leaving quite yet, guys. I got about 15 more minutes till 9:30 a.m. Mountain Time. No trades for me yet still. No trades. Yep, I'll be in Florida. If you're coming to Max's event, I'll be there. We can meet in person. Morning, brother. What do you recommend someone starting to learn trading? Build a solid foundation first. Come in with the right expectations. Come in with the right mindset. Start small. Start with one contract at a time and really focus on building up your process and your confidence and then move forward. That's where I think prop firms can really help. I think they're a tool and they're just that. They're only a tool. I don't want you using them long term, but getting a funded account and practicing on that while having real skin in the game can help. Yep. So just take it slow. You're in a race with nobody but yourself. It's very easy to compare yourself and to get ahead of yourself in terms of milestones when you start because social media is filled with everyone getting rich really fast. But it's not the case for most traders who want to have a statistical edge and make money long term. That's why I say DOD. Like if you choose discipline over dopamine and you focus on having a set strategy and system that you can consistently execute day in and day out, you're going to be in a good spot. You're going to continue to grow. You're going to continue to keep more, lose less, and enjoy your trading more. You guys really, let's see. Any advice on holding losers? I took the trade with Greg and held it. I couldn't accept the loss and was hoping for a pullback. That's why I tell you, you have to define your risk and visualize your risk prior to taking the trade. If you define your risk and you have your stop loss hard set before taking the trade, it takes that control and that worry out of your hands. If you have a 30-point stop set and you have 1 mini, you know that your biggest risk is $600. That's it. You accept that $600 risk, and if you get stopped, you move on to the next good trade. You don't complain about it. You don't whine about it. You don't average down. You tell yourself, this is the cost of doing business. I took a trade. It was a good trade. It didn't work out. Move on to the next one. Just like an athlete, they have a bad game. They don't sit there and miss 10 shots and to quit or go on tilt. They say, you know what? I had a bad game. I missed a few shots. If you're LeBron, you probably missed a lot of shots, but guess what? You're going to come back. You're going to come out the next game and do your best and perform like you know you can perform. And that's just that. Losing trades is a cost of doing business. That's all it is. It doesn't define your worth. It doesn't define your ability. You just happen to lose. Sometimes you'll lose 2 or 3 trades in a row. As long as you stay consistent with your system, that's how you win long term. Did my ears just hear LeBron slander? The goat got astray. Hey, because Kobe's the GOAT. That's why we don't speak on Kobe. That's why we don't speak on the actual GOAT. I still got every morning I look at, I have a signed Kobe number 8 jersey in my office. I will never sell this thing. The freaking GOAT. You guys can see it on the YouTube, right? You guys can see it right there. Got it framed on the wall. Kobe the GOAT. I'll show y'all too, TikTok. Yup. There's the Kobe jersey. And my Team Bull USA flag. And Scrooge McDuck. And then Lambo. The silver's going bananas. All right, there we go. We're really not going to get this pullback, huh? How long is your 40% off Tradeify going to be available? Honestly, I didn't even realize it was available today. I think the 40% off Tradeify ends today at some point. You can use code Jdun. It's the top discount. The top trader-friendly plan, I think, in the industry right now. It's only $95 with no activation fee and comes with daily payouts if you pass. Yep. Worst case, even if you're not going to trade today, go get yourself one today and get ready to trade it on Monday. We can get you passed by Wednesday if we hit a few good trades. The plan today, we just need a deeper pullback. If I'm going to try any sort of long, I need a deeper pullback. If I'm going to try a short, I'd need some solid confirmation of a short candle with defined risk. I don't take shorts up here just because we're high, right? If we had an aggressive full body candle down with rising volume, I might try shorts with stops above that high, but we don't have that. So I'm not going to take it. It does work. All capitals, code Jdun. I think even lowercase works too. Well, I have not made any money today. I'm $0, so I haven't lost any money. I also haven't made any. Appreciate you, Ryan. Lightning is good too. Lightning is good. It just has lower consistency. This will be my first no trade Friday in a minute. Yeah, no loss is still technically a win too if you follow your system, guys. That's what you got to remember. Gosh, why do I not want to walk away? I feel like we're going to get something good. I feel like we're going to get a good setup. I'm going to ask Gene if he wants to go to the gym.
No, I don't like you.
What's up, Gene? I forgot you're here.
I don't like you. Yeah, that's why I don't like you.
How many contracts should we be trading on a 50K eval? I mean, I always recommend, as long as you have a strategy, going a bit more aggressive on evals, because you don't want to spend 2 weeks on an eval. Your time is worth more than that money. I'd rather you get 3 evals or 5 evals and pass 1 or 2 in a few days versus spend a month on an eval or 3 evals and your time outweighs the money. I'm not saying to run through in full port and be an idiot with evals. You don't want to get on that hamster wheel, but I'm just saying you can be a bit more aggressive and work your way to get funded so you're not wasting a bunch of time on evals. Did I like the Revuelto? It was fine, but honestly, I didn't love that car. I like the Strato 100 times more, and it's a third of the price.
He traded the Revolto in for Hellcat. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did. I traded the Revuelto in for a Hellcat. Something like that. Should have taken that 2-bar setup earlier. Oh, well. I didn't like that 5-minute candle here. Is what it is. Get what you get. You don't throw a fit, right?
How much we pumped? That's literally ridiculous. He almost got a smart car. Yeah.
I got a smart car. That's what I'm driving. Come on, give us some sort of play. Give us some sort of good trade. Come on. You think I'd fit in a smart car? I mean, I guess I'd fit in the Lambo, so it's possible.
So good me today. See you next week. Have a nice weekend.
See you, Greg.
Take care, man. Have a practice on weekend, okay?
See you, bro.
Take care.
This is that move down to 800. I mean, it's possible. It's just, it's high risk. If we go from low to high a day here on screen share, that's way down. This could be the area. I mean, it's possible, right? We're pulling back into the 790. This was the area I was originally watching. I just, when we're so high after a day of minimal pullbacks, it kind of sketches me out to try it. But you'd have to have stops below like 770. I will try if we get a pullback down to this like 710 to 720. I will try that. Like, give us some aggressive pullback here. Aggressive. I'm talking, we want Trump tweet style pullback to pre-market high 720 area. I'll try it. We're starting to get some aggressive volume to the downside. We could get a 2-bar setup to the downside. That's possible. Certainly, it's a little counter trend, but it's possible. I'm potentially open to it. We'll see what price gives us. Not getting off quite yet. I know a lot of y'all are still rocking with me. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. What's your excuse? My excuse is my system and that it's not an insanely deep pullback. I like pullbacks to key levels. We're not at any key level.
No, 100%. Yeah.
That technically could be a 2-bar setup right here. It's a little risky as this has been an aggressive uptrend. Let's see the high 820. We're going to get a good trade. That's why I haven't. All right, Paydun is here. Paydun has arrived. Paydun's here. He says hello. I'm ready to catch ourselves a nice winning trade. Paydun's here. He's arrived. Hello. That 2 bars so far is working out on to the downside here. We'll see if we get some confirmation. Okay, we're moving down. Let's see if we can get it. See if we can get our bounce area in here. See if they give it to us. As a reminder for the TikTok algorithm, this is simulated trading. This is not financial advice. We are just watching candlesticks for fun. This live is live in real time at 9:32 a.m. Eastern or Mountain Time. We're just hanging, having fun. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live and navigate the charts live each and every morning. Give my exact trades, and I maintain a pretty solid win rate. You ask around, people typically have good things to say. Do my best to help my community, help my family here. I've been trading for 9, almost 10 years. I'm going to stick around for 30 more minutes probably. I might change my mind in that 30 minutes and leave, but if I haven't told you I'm in a trade, I'm not in a trade, guys. Oh, this definitely looks decent to the downside now. We got the 3 bar, right? 3 aggressive candles down, full body. Definitely going to be a bit higher risk if we come and test this pre-market high. I'm still open to the 710 though area, guys. I'm still open to it. Still open to it. Has to say simulated trading for the disclaimer. Bro sold out for the prop firms. Nope. I don't think anyone talks about prop firms how I do. and I'd help you guys become liabilities for these prop firms. So you see people every day getting payouts, every day making progress, losing less, making more. Guys, I'm looking to test potentially a small size of shorts. I have my finger on the trigger. There's not a ton of risk if I do. I'll let you guys know when I press short.
You'll let us know when you press short.
Yes. Well, I'd press buy. I'd be buying the longs. I'm watching this. I'll let you guys know when I press the short sell button. Let you guys know. I want to see how this candle closes. I like it because the upside potential is that we get a massive move down to our key levels. The risk is that we just trend back up slowly to above that like 820. So I'm waiting to see how this candle turns out. I'll let you guys know if I enter. As always, if I enter, you'll know. If I don't enter, then you'll know. If we get a strong close in this candle, I'm not going to take it. This will likely end up being our higher low in here at the 6 or 770. We didn't get down to where I wanted. I wanted to see it pull back to like 730s to 710. We didn't get that. We didn't get that. So let's wait and see. That's awesome. Let's see. Just passed 2 more evals today using the DOD. I now have 3 funded to start with fresh on Monday. Thank you for DOD. It's taking me since last summer to really understand PA with volume and sticking to DOD. PS, all Jdun codes in Apex. Let's go. Well, guys, it's not looking good for my potential short setup. I wanted to see a move up with a wick down. This is not looking great. If you guys want to support the live stream, support myself, if I've helped you in any way, shape, or form, today is the last day of Tradeify's 40% off their select accounts. You guys can use code JDUN on the select accounts on the 50K. It's less than $100 with no activation fee. Less than $100 with no activation fee. End of day drawdown. If you guys want an account to start trading next week, or if we catch a trade today, go get yourself one. Yeah, I can't trade this candle. What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with that? What am I supposed to do with that? Look for a higher low. Look for about move back to 800, but then your stops have to be below like 760. Now with that candle close, I'd actually prefer a pull back down to like 800, 790 with stops below like 760. It's big stop, but that's what I would prefer if I had to. That's a hater mentality, MJ. We don't like that here, bro. If you want to hate and be negative, go somewhere else. I'd rather lose a viewer and keep our chat positive than have a bunch of trolls. I say that respectfully. I like to keep energy good here. We're focused on winning, we're focused on supporting each other, and we're focused on choosing discipline over dopamine. You feel me? Trading's already hard enough already. I don't know why people choose to hate and choose drama and be negative. Life's too short for that. That's why you don't see me beefing with anybody. It's like, bro, I make enough money trading. I don't got to beef with y'all. I'm going to go, I'm going to go start unthawing my meat, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to go put my meat. Oh, we're going to get that freaking pullback while I'm gone, huh? I'm going to go put my meat out, start unthawing so I can make some food. I'll be right back. Don't you dare pull back without me.
I got you. Get your best munchie in here. This has been a very boring session. It's already almost 10 o'clock, guys. Where? I have wait, where? At Jacob's house or at the office? Oh. What are you talking about on Discord? So confused. I need to get one, huh? I'm gonna tell Jdun that you said that I need one, okay? You have to listen to me. You're an OG. Jakeman's awesome, guys. I had a pleasure to meet him here in Colorado when he came for a podcast. Great guy. Very great guy.
What up? Okay. It's possible. It could be happening.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? It's possible. Still too much risk on this pullback. This could be it. Starting to think I might just not take a trade today. That might be the solution here. It's 40% off. This could be it. I feel like even if we do get this move up, it's going to be kind of a slow grind. I wanted to see this pull back to this zone right here. If we go from the top to the bottom of this candle, though, it did end up being a move right into that 50 to 61.8 or 0.618. Literally right there. I'm looking for a Friday banger. I'm trying. All right. I'd love to see us have a higher volume candle here. That'd be great. That'd be kind of neat, wouldn't it? I am getting off in 11 minutes, though, for sure. I'm going to get off. My meat should be ready to cook. Got it in some hot water right now. Four, three, two, one. Tesla's flat too. So this 15-minute chart actually looks pretty good to the upside. Strong move here. Strong volume. 4, 14, 24. So even if you got in a trade, say, call it down on a pullback to like 810 and kept stops below this candle, you'd have to nearly get... You'd have to get high a day. Well, you wouldn't have to. To be at 1R, you have to get up to like these previous highs up here. This pay done's here. He's trying to find you a trade. Even if we did take this, right, it would still have to test highs after a massive move up. $92. They all said that I would do. Still waiting. See if we can get an A+ setup. See if we can get an A+ setup. They're legit. If you have been part of the webinars or such before. Let's see. All right, let's see. I'm waiting for my meat ton thaw, so I'm just chilling. Watching these size. I haven't taken a trade yet today either. As a reminder, guys, I'm live on YouTube as well. If I end up ending this TikTok stream, it's weird sometimes. You guys can go to YouTube as well. Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's our main live stream every morning. You get full screen share and all my signals. If you search up Jdun Trades, you'll find it. You guys should be subscribed anyway. I'm so back and forth on whether this is going to be the higher low or whether we're just going to dump this. Little back and forth on whether this is going to be a higher low or whether we're going to just dump it. What's up, Cisneros? That'd be great. Junk removal. Good business to be in. Tap into Team Bull, bro. We'd love to help you. You could even come trade at the office if you're part of the team. I have not placed any trades yet. No trades yet for me, guys. We might see this higher low here and keep moving up, but I have not participated. I'm choosing ultimate level DOD today. Damn, grandma just texted me. Said, just got back from the gym. 77 years old and went to the gym at negative 20 degrees. DOD moment. Feels so good. That is literally hilarious. Grandma's at the gym.
Oh, Nana.
At 77 years old and negative 20. What's your excuse, baby? What's your excuse? Get your butt to the gym today. Make yourself better today. Grandma's out here grinding a negative 20. What's your excuse? Come on. I want y'all ready to run through a wall. Because if grandma can run through the wall, so can you. Hilarious. Grinding, baby. Grandma's going. On that note, you better be headed to the gym. There we go. Barely bullish. Damn, even if I would have taken that trade, I would have been stopped up below that candle low. So it wouldn't have worked out anyway. Grandma winning just like the Broncos are this weekend. Oh, yeah. It's going down. See, even with this aggressive push here, it's honestly hard for me to take shorts because this could be another higher low. I think it's just shaping up to be a no trade morning. Technically is a 2-bar setup and a strong candle down, but $800, 775. Thought we were going to retest into this candle. Nope. We sure didn't. As a reminder, today is Tradeify's last day of 40% off. If you guys want to get a select account that comes with daily payouts, end-of-day drawdown versus Take Profit Traders intraday, and 3-day pass instead of Take Profit Traders 5-day, You guys can use code Jdun for 40% off Tradeify 50K select accounts. It's only $95 with no activation fee. See if we can get a pull back up here. I'm interested in the shorts. I am interested in the shorts if we can get a pop back up. It honestly wouldn't entail a ton of risk either. Your only risk is this ends up being our higher low. Tradeify does have daily payouts on their select plan. Yep.
All right, Mr. Jacob. I'm hopping up. I don't like anything.
Wait for me to try some shorts.
All right. Yeah, I locked myself out.
Well, never mind.
I'll still wait with you. I'm rooting for you, dude. I made most of my money last night.
This 1 minute I want to try on, but this 5 minutes looking a little sketchy. We made a higher low here, and we're aggressively waking up. That's tough. That is tough. I mean, the worst case scenario is if we did try it up here, we just keep stops above like 808, or maybe we get a long side setup. Maybe this gives us a higher low. We get an aggressive 5 minute candle with volume up here. Gives us a long, or we just don't take a trade. I'll let you guys know if I take anything. Right now, this is not what you'd want to see and try to short. I mean, if you did try, you'd have to have stops about 10 points higher than we are now. And this candle's not looking like it wants to be good for any sort of continuation to the downside. There's 30 more seconds left. This is dangerous price action. Dangerous price action. I think it might be a good idea just to call it and to have a no trade Friday for me. That might be the best idea today. think that might be the best idea today, folks. We stuck on for longer. Thought we might get something. Dangerous action. Dangerous action. I'm gonna go check if my meat's unthawed yet. If it is, I'll come back and say bye.
What's up, Team? Did you guys take anything today? Any setups? I did have shorts at the top, but I was scared of the trigger watch, so I'll share my screen. Do you guys see my screen? Right up here. The way I had gotten that level was pulled it off to 15. Maybe. Yeah, the top of this big zone on the 15 minutes was like more of a small one, so I didn't really have the confidence to pull the trigger. Another setup I liked too was we came up, we started rejecting off the supply. I would have liked to pull back to this 8 EMA for longs, but I was really waiting for this orb entry down here at 652-ish.
Me too.
Got that, so I didn't pull the trigger. But
Yep.
I took short last night, and then I was trading from bed last night.
It has been disrespecting my VPA today. If you guys want to get an eval ready for Monday, Tradeify's last day of their 40% off is today. Their select accounts are only their 50K select accounts is only are only $95. Great deal with no activation fee. Better than Take Profit Trader in literally every way. If you guys want to get your account loaded up, ready and activated for this coming Monday. What's Tesla doing? What's Tessie baby doing?
Gosh, Jake, Quinn, you better be going to the Broncos, bro. We're not friends anymore. Right, Jdun?
Yep, facts.
Broncos are DOD.
I'm not sure if you can do Tradeify on an iPad. Maybe.
On an iPad?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Tradeivate. Yeah, I guess you can.
You use Tradeivate, but my preferable is NinjaTrader. Same login, but they have better charting platform on your tablet. Nice, 109K up. Nice. Oh no, yeah, you can't copy trade. You're right. Nice. Gotta come to the office for some trading soon. Maybe somebody will show up. film.
I know. It's freaking freezing outside.
Yeah, I don't even want to go outside.
Don't. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off. It's going to be a no trade Friday for me. If we break this structure to the downside, you can watch for a move to pre-market high. Break to the upside, you can watch for a move to these previous highs up at like 845. It's trade smart, trade safe. Hope you guys had a nice week inside Team Bull. Appreciate you guys being a part of the family. And remember, discipline over dopamine. Don't do anything stupid the rest of the day. Don't throw your routine away just because it's the weekend. And finally, go Broncos. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye, everybody.
See you guys later. Bye.
Peace. Adios, everybody. Broncos money line, baby. I'll see y'all later. Peace.